In this video, I'm going to show you how to install ChatGPT for Google Sheets, which is a very powerful add-on that you should have on your Google Sheet. Now, in order to do that, we will navigate over to the extensions section of the menu. Go to add-ons, simply click on get add-ons. Under search apps, you will type in GPT, and there may be different versions. This is the one that I have currently installed on other Google accounts so far. As you can see, it shows that it works for docs, sheets, and slides. I will go ahead and select that one and then click on install. Okay, we'll then say get ready to install, so on and so forth. Every add-on needs your permission, so from this point you have to click continue. And now you must select your Google account. Okay, and it's, you're agreeing to let the add-on access your account, so on and so forth. This is just part of installing any add-on. Just click continue again. It will tell you that ChatGPT is allowed to do all this different stuff. You just click on allow and continue. From this point, they always say that whenever you try to add anything to a Google Sheet, they will always say that it can access your documents, it can do all this different stuff. Okay, that's just the way Google is set up. So now it's been installed at this point. GPT for slides, docs, sheets has been installed. Okay, fine. I'll click on next. And yes, so there's some additional setup. It's best to just go ahead and do that right away. So I'll just go ahead and do that. Complete additional setup now. And install and launch GPT Workspace. I'll just go ahead and click get started. Okay, first of all, they want me to sign in with Google, so I'll do that. And make sure to select my same Google account. And it says that it's already has some access, so on and so forth. Make sure you trust GPT, so on and so forth. You've got to trust these tools if you want to be able to do anything. Use these tools, so you've just got to go ahead with it. Select my account again, click continue again. Okay, it's just kind of taking me in a circle here. And I'll click it one more time. Okay, looks like I'm finally through. Okay, so GPT Workspace, I'm going to go ahead and add it to Chrome. So they're also adding it as a Chrome browser extension. Okay, once I've done that, it says I've already signed in. I'll just kind of browse through here. Yes, you can explore the features. This is basically the main thing that I use it for, right? Is that I'm going to use it to actually perform certain tasks and do certain kinds of analysis. So you can see in other content that I have, some kind of links that you can find either in this video or around on the channel, how I've actually applied it in for different purposes. But this is basically what I'm primarily going to use it for, okay? That GPT function. So they're just showing that to you. They're saying to go ahead and pin that Chrome extension as well, which you can do here, and just pin it. All right, that's how you pin a Chrome extension. And at this point, I believe it's basically done. It's basically installed. Now, however, I need to make sure that I can actually use it. So I'll do some kind of prompt. I'll just type something in like books, and I'll do equal GPT. Let's see if that shows up. Okay, submit a prompt, and I'll type in a prompt, which is indicate the current search interest of, in fact, rather than I'll just type it straight in. Search interest of books over the past 12 months in the United States. I'll just do a prompt that way. And in fact, actually, I'm going to change that prompt a little bit. Search interest of books. Instead of books, this is a little advanced. I'll do ampersand and a 2. No, sorry. I just remembered what I'm supposed to be doing here. Of the keyword over the past 12 months in the United States, and then books will be the second parameter, which is the value. Okay, so it's actually simpler than what I was trying to do. Okay, now I get this message. Please initialize the add-on first. Okay, so it's not initialized. I'm trying to use that GPT function, and I can't. So I've got to go into extensions, add-ons, or actually open it here. GPT for slides, doc sheets, start it. Okay, so this is that one little step that I think, people will often kind of forget to do. All right, and I'm going to try this again now. Okay, still tell me. Okay, so, of course I don't do this often. I do it about once every time I start. Maybe I'll just, sure. Okay, I'll just close this and just do it again. Start. And I'll take this, cut it as if it wasn't ever there. And I'll paste it back. Let's see if it does GPT this time. Okay, fine. Now, it's not able to do exactly what I'm asking it, but the fact that it's even responding, so it's saying it's unable to provide this kind of real-time data, so I'd have to ask it something else that it can actually do. But the point is, it is installed, and it is actually replying to my GPT command. As far as like actual usage, you'll have to see other content, other videos that I have where I've actually built templates, and ChatGPT is one of the things that I'm using to analyze certain data in certain parts of those templates. So anyway, the main purpose of this video was to actually get ChatGPT installed and up and running on Google Sheets. So if you didn't have it up and running before, or you didn't know how to get that started, go ahead and do that. Get that started now. I'm Mr. Mark, and if anything, I will just see you around in another video.